Mula sa pagiging hater,
I do have something against him. I think he cheated. I think he made his name off cheating. So.
naging supporter,
That's why Manny deserved the win. Manny wanted it more.
boxing fans, maligayang pagbabalik.
Manny at 46 years old, it's pretty unbelievable right now.
Kung masugid kayong tagapanood ng boxing, it's impossible to miss out on this anti-Pacquiao character.
This dude's on drugs, man. I don't know.
Enter Paulie Malignaggi. Ngayong araw na ito ay ating diskubrihin ang mahika ni Pacquiao na tila bang nakumbinsi niya ang number 1 critic niya na from being a Pacquiao hater ay nag-iba na ang pananaw sa kanya. Dati-rati, puro banat lang ito.
Of Manny coming out and saying that he had an injured shoulder.
He's a sore loser. I don't think he had an injured shoulder.
Pero sa latest laban ni Pacquiao kay Barrios, bumaliktad na nga ba ang opinyon ni Malignaggi kay Pacquiao? Ating simulan ang kwento sa konversasyon nila ng dating kalaban ni Pacman na si Algieri. Eto nga at may komento si Algieri sa laban ni Pacman kay Barrios.
He looked good in this fight. His ability to do what he did at this stage of his career, the fact that he always comes back, he's always looking for the biggest challenges. He's absolutely incredible to still be able to do this. He still moves the needle. It felt like a real fight week. Manny Pacquiao's back. Manny Pacquiao can still fight. Manny Pacquiao's still dangerous. I think the draw is actually not the worst thing that could have happened because it was a very close fight and there's a lot of weird rounds in there. Barrios has no swagger and no charisma to sell anything that he was doing. Manny landed more power shots, especially the eye-catching punches.
Base sa kanyang analysis, Pacman still got it. Ika nga niya, mas maraming klarong suntok si Manny kesa kay Barrios. Ngunit ang tanong, sa paningin ba niya, nanalo si Pacquiao?
So, I still think Manny should have got it, but people were screaming outright robbery. Manny won 10 rounds. All right, you're letting nostalgia and your love for Manny cloud your vision.
Bagaman tingin niya si Pacquiao pa rin ang dapat nanalo sa fight, pero it was a close fight. At bulag lang daw ang tingin niya sa mga taong nagsasabi na nakaw ang laban. Pero kung tatanungin natin ang number 1 kritiko ni Pacquiao na si Paulie Malignaggi, ano kaya ang kanyang opinyon?
But here's my version of it. I think that it's not the same Pacquiao, but I think the effort of Pacquiao, he showed he wanted it more than Mario Barrios. And to me, dude, that's unforgivable when you're 29, 30 years old. You're letting the old man want it more than you and out hustle you. So, yeah, the rounds were a lot of close round. And I would have probably turned it off if it wasn't for Manny having me on the edge of my seat there. Yeah.
Ika nga ni Paulie, walang kapatawaran at nakakahiya ang ginawa ni Barrios. Sa laban, si Manny pa itong gustong manalo. At nasurpresa din tayo na sinabi niya na excited siya para kay Pacquiao. Bakit? Eto sagot niya.
Yeah. Wow, this guy might make history here tonight. That was the dramatic effect of the fight because Manny was in the fight. I thought he was boxing well for his age. It's not the same Manny, but I thought he fought an intelligent fight in that.
At dito natin nakikitang nabubuksan ng konti ang mata ni Paulie na tila bang hindi siya makapaniwala na sa gantong edad nakikipagsabayan pa rin si Pacquiao. At bakit niyang nasabi na matalino si Pacquiao? Ito paliwanag na.
He knew how to steal the moments. His rhythm, you could see his legs aren't the same. He's not able to get that power planting shot there. He's kind of closing the gap and he's kind of a little bit off balance as he's throwing some of these shots, but they're putting Mario out of position so it looks good.
At kahit napapabilib na siya ni Pacquiao dito, may puna pa rin ito kay Pacquiao. Walang balanse at hinahabol daw ang mga suntok. Sang-ayon ba kayo kay Malignaggi? At nang napanood na niya ang Pacquiao Barrios, may naobserbahan siya.
But as I'm watching the fight, I'm like, Mario Barrios sucks, right? He sucks. But that wasn't really the story of the night. The story of the night was, does Manny deserve the decision? Because after all this, you have history here. You have a historic moment. Manny not at his best. And, it's still a historical moment.
Di umano, di daw quality fighter si Barrios. Ngunit na-realize niya na gaano kaimportante ang gabing ito para sa boxing. Pacquiao was already a Hall of Famer and he was shooting for a championship this night. At dahil dito, exciting ito para sa kanya.
It's got you on the edge of your seat. And I gotta say, after all this, a 46-year-old to come back and get a license, especially in a place like Vegas, you gotta go through a battery of medical tests. Nobody wants to get sued.
Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, para sa isang 40 plus years old na magkaroon ng lisensya sa Las Vegas, sangkatutak na exam ang dapat niyang ipasa. Gaya na lamang ng brain MRI, ECG, at marami pang iba. At eto ang na-realize ni Paulie Malignaggi.
Make all these hoops to jump through to make this fight and to make this moment upon us. And then in a fight like that, you don't give it to him? Like that's why I'm saying, okay, I think Manny won the fight.
At dito natin nakikita ang unti-unting pagsuporta ni Malignaggi sa kanyang dating binabanatan.
You know why it's a robbery? Because after you did all this, what do you get out of letting Mario Barrios keep the title? The guy sucked. Like, he didn't want it. He's touching gloves every round. Bob Santos couldn't yell at him anymore. Like, Bob Santos was trying everything he could to get this guy motivated. He actually told him, dude, stop touching gloves and go win the fight. What does he do? He comes out and he touches gloves again.
Si Bob Santos ang boxing coach ni Mario Barrios. Na di umano'y, sabi ni Malignaggi, pinapagalitan na nito si Barrios.
No fucking respect. Don't touch his fucking glove.
Ngunit friendly pa rin ito kay Pacman. Dito na rin ininsulto ni Malignaggi ang bansag nila kay Barrios na Aztec Warrior.
Aztec Warrior my ass, bro. Don't ever use that term again. That is an embarrassment. That was an embarrassing performance from him. Like, constantly touching gloves, constantly being friendly. I get you can be mesmerized by the presence of a guy in front of you who's a great and you grew up watching. I get that you can get that. Maybe in round 1, bro. Not for 12 straight rounds. It's wild to me.
At hinamon pa niya si Barrios na to prove him wrong.
What do you want me to tell you, bro? Go prove me wrong. The guy sucks. You know what I mean? Like, dude, you don't have a varied jab. You're 6 feet tall. You don't have a varied jab. You're still on your front foot. You're still on your front foot. Not recognizing how Manny's figuring out how to steal rounds and take the moment from you, because you also got to know how to win a fight. Because he's so busy touching gloves and just being happy to be there.
Kaya nga, sa tingin niya, mas karapat dapat si Pacquiao na manalo sa labang ito. Makatarungan ba ang mga rason niya? Wala nga bang kwenta si Barrios o sadyang magaling pa rin si Pacquiao na nababasa pa rin niya ang galaw ni Barrios?
That's why Manny deserved the win. Manny wanted it more. He was more cerebral in there to try to figure out how to win it more.
At may isa pa siyang teorya kung bakit di nanalo si Manny Pacquiao sa laban.
Let me tell you my opinion of why Manny didn't get that decision. The Filipinos stormed Vegas, moved the odds tremendously. MGM Grant would have probably went out of business if Manny gets that decision. Vegas was probably licking their chops like, this is people betting with their heart. We're gonna take all their money, and then all of a sudden you're like, no, they're gonna take all our money. Make the call. We need a draw here.
When the betting odds started, lamang na lamang si Barrios. At nang palapit na ang fight, nag-iba ang pustahan. At sabi nga ni Malignaggi, malulugi ang Las Vegas dahil sa pusta ng mga Pinoy. At pati na rin ang madla in favor of Pacquiao. At gulat nga si Chris Algieri kasi alam niyang masugid na kritiko itong si Malignaggi ni Pacquiao.
Surprised with your backing Manny Pacquiao and saying he got robbed. I'm like, wow. Okay.
Because the whole point The whole point of me watching the full 12 rounds was
Manny Pacquiao.
I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna watch this guy make history tonight. I'm like, you know what? I'm about to watch history here.
Yeah.
I'm not turning this off.
Yep.
I'm gonna watch this fight.
Para bang sikretong iniidolo ni Malignaggi si Pacquiao? O baka naman may pusta siya dito?
Did not bet Manny Pacquiao, guys.
Bago pa man tayo mag-react, naklaro na ni Malignaggi na hindi siya pumusta para kay Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao still moves the needle. The guy is a force. He is a global superstar. You know, Michael Jordan, obviously, Mike Tyson, Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao is one of the most recognizable people around the world. Atin ding nakikita na mas may sense itong si Chris Algieri, even comparing Pacquiao to the great Michael Jordan. At may mga obserbasyon din si Algieri na malapit daw umano na dali si Pacquiao ni Barrios. There's a couple moments in the fight where Barrios had an opportunity to not only dominate but close the door on a Manny Pacquiao comeback. It was round 3. It was round 1, round 2, Manny looked good. Round 3 comes and you started to see Barrios get that jab going. I've never seen Manny get hit with so many jabs. Head getting popped back. Normally Manny's really hard to hit, even with jab. Barrios was able to get that going. I remember going to Lance at the round 3 and I'm like, this is when the old man starts to show up. And then Barrios didn't follow up. Manny comes right back.
At sa pag-review natin sa round 3, di natin nakakita ang sinasabi ni Algieri. Pero bakit kaya di basta-basta natitibag ang tibay ni Pacquiao sa edad na ito? Eto sabi niya.
He wanted it more. And
that's why you don't rob the guy. That's why you don't rob him.
I think in the first 5 rounds, it was like 4-1 Manny. You know, and you're like, what the hell is going on? I think Barrios is taking his time. Round 7, nothing. 8, same kind of stuff. And I was just like, this guy just has no urgency. Every time Manny made any kind of move that was any aggression whatsoever, he landed a big hard shot, usually right on the chin. I mean, his accuracy that night was fantastic with his power shot.
Di makapaniwala si Algieri na at 46 years old at nung iniisip nilang mawawalan na ng hangin si Pacquiao, bumabawi pa rin ito. And then came round 12, kung saan bumulusok ang opensiba ni Barrios.
And then Mario Barrios showed up in round 12. And Manny was tired, and that was the best round that he had all night long.
Paniguradong round 12 was Mario Barrios round. Pero ang issue umano kay Barrios ay di siya ang nagko-control sa fight. And this is Malignaggi's observation.
In those kind of fights especially, somebody has to grab the bull by the horns and control it. Mario never went for that. It was all respect, it was all nice, it was all touching gloves. Like, at what point are you're a world champion. You are the WBC welterweight champion of the world. At what point do you say, take control of this fight, take charge of the fight? Never made that decision. As a matter of fact, Manny, again, wanted it more. He was trying to make certain decisions. He just couldn't consistently make them when he's 46. But, you know, he was making the decision, I'm going to go win this fight. I have a mindset to win this fight. I have a method that I'm going to impose to win this fight, and I'm going to go do it. But I don't even know if Mario's got fear or if he just sucks.
And Mario Barrios was clearly a bit scared sa power ni Pacquiao.
As soon as he started like letting his punches go, he was solid. He's strong as fuck.
I'm wondering, like, is this guy? I can't figure out because you're there, you got to this stage, you can't be scared.
At ito nga ang alamat ni Pacquiao. From hater to supporter, ito ang magic ni Pacman. Kung na-enjoy nyo ang boxing content natin ngayon, paki-like and suntok sa subscribe for more boxing stories like this. Salamat, kaboxing tayo.
Boxing tayo.